195017 going to Leeds. Not hanging around today. That's a cold wind we got today, my friend. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? Help make the channel grow, yeah. Welcome to Alfreton train station. It's a Tuesday morning, 11:15. Pretty empty now, look. Can't even hear the workmen over there working. Pretty quiet day at the moment. Right folks, this is where we get two trains for the price of one. The train now approaching is going to Norwich, and there's a train coming behind me which is going to Liverpool. And look, we've got some workmen turn up as well. Oh. That's a 158806, that one. Going to Liverpool. And it's still windy. I think that's about 2.5 hours from here to Liverpool. That's 3 workmen we've got now. Wow. Well, there goes a train to Norwich. That's about a 3-hour journey, I think. I'm just looking at the clouds to the left of me. Look like rain clouds, to be honest. And off that one goes. Right, my friends, I can hear the workmen banging in the background over there. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? So when we get to 50 subscribers, we can actually do live videos for you. Yeah. But I need a minimum of 50 subscribers, so we only want about 3 or 4 more, so please subscribe. And we can do some live videos, can't we? Yeah. Right, no trains coming now, not for a little while, so I'll catch you all later. Thanks for watching.